welcome back to my channel. Oh my goodness, I've been gone. It seems like forever. I haven't filmed in over a week. Anyways, I'm so glad to be back filming. I'm so glad to be able to play in makeup and to create makeup looks for you guys. And yeah, if you want to see how I got this look and the products that I used, let's go. Alright guys, now that we got that out the way, I'm sure everybody needs a good laugh. I thought that was cute. We're going to start out with the Anastasia Dip Brow in the shade Dark Brown, followed by the Soft Glam palette with Orange Soda, Burnt Orange, and Mulberry. And I'm taking that on a Morphe M441 blending brush, and I'm just going to pop that in the crease and blend out. I don't know what I'm showing you this MAC Studio finish for. Oh yeah, I'm gonna prime the eyes with that first, and then I'm gonna go in with those colors.
'Cause I am happy on this island, wanna be my fondland. I don't ever want to leave, I'm in a tropic club.
Here I'm just taking the ColourPop and I Love Sada E palette. I'm using that white shade in there just to set the eye primer. Now going in with the Soft Glam palette by Anastasia and taking that Burnt Orange on a Morphe M441 blending brush, and we're just going to pop that all in the crease and we're going to get this look started. Here I'm taking the brush that came in the palette, the Anastasia brush, and I'm going to use it and pick up some Mulberry and then put that a little below where we put the first shade.
I remember the ocean, memories die out too hard. But we were traveling the mountains just to find the loudest tea.
Here I'm going to take the Morphe M421 brush and I'm going to take some matte concealer and I'm just going to begin to carve out the crease.
So if you want something to hold on to, gotta find it first. But here I am, 'cause I've been laying under palm trees waiting for the summer, knowing there's nowhere to go. 'Cause I am happy on this island, wanna be my fondland. I don't ever want to leave, I'm in a tropic club.
Next, I'm going in with the Stila Magnificent Metals Shadow in Rose Gold Retro. You guys, this shade is so beautiful. I don't know why I'm always so late on keeping up like with the newest and latest products, but I've got to get better with that because I've waited this long to try these shadows and I fell in love with these shadows. They're absolutely gorgeous. I'm just taking some oil-free makeup remover on a Q-tip and I'm just removing and cleaning up any of the excess or jagged edges that I may have. So far, this is what we have. Next, I'm going to do the other eye off camera in 1, 2, 3. And it's finished just like that. I just do this to save time because you already see me do one eye. So obviously I just do the same steps to the other eye. I'm taking the Smashbox primer water just to prime the face with. Then I'm going to go in with the Urban Decay Optical Illusion Complexion Primer to smooth out and prime the face and to fill in any pores that I have. Because we all know I have big pores. It's like craters on my face. So anyways, I'm taking this new NARS foundation, you guys. I love this foundation. Oh my God. Also, these sponges, I got these from Target, 2 for $10. Look how big that gets. They're the Sonia Kashuk, I think that's how you say it, sponges. And it says to use the flat side for your foundation, and it says to use the pointed rounder side for concealer. But I don't know, because it does seem kind of big. But for the foundation and just to pounce it all over your face, using the flat side, you guys, I absolutely love. It feels so good, and these are so soft. No joke, they're softer than the Beauty Blender. I just wish they didn't get so big, because once you wet them, they expand like 3 times their size. They are ginormous, literally.
Saw me laying under palm trees, waiting for the summer, knowing there's nowhere to go. 'Cause I am happy on this island, wanna be my farmland. I don't ever want to leave, I'm in a tropic club.
This is a new product for me that I'm using as well. It is the NARS concealer. You guys, this is amazing. It is so thick and creamy. It's like, wow. It's just a good product. Let's just say that. And you guys, this Coty Airspun powder from Walmart, I got the shade Translucent. It is absolutely like silk on my face as well. I love it. I don't know why it takes me so long to try new stuff.
So if you want something to hold on to, gotta find it first. But here I am, 'cause I've been laying under palm trees, waiting for the summer, knowing there's nowhere to go. 'Cause I am happy on this island, wanna be my farmland. I don't ever want to leave, I'm in a tropic club.
And this Smashbox metallic liquid lip, you guys, I don't even need to say anything. Just watch the end of the video. Just watch the video, because I went crazy in Sephora the other day. I wanted every single shade and color that they had. These are gorgeous. Oh my God. And of course, I'm also trying out the Fenty Beauty Hustler Baby, Rihanna's highlight, for the first time. And as you can see my reaction, it is, it's everything. I mean, it's more than coffee or milkshakes. It's everything. And next, you'll see, guys, I accidentally deleted the clip of me using the MAC Extended Play Giga Black mascara, but that's what I did use. So, for your reference, just so you know. All right, guys, that's it for this tutorial. I hope you enjoyed it. I had so much fun creating it for you. I love all these products, you guys. Smashbox is doing great things. NARS, just everything that I use is just amazing. I love it. I hope you guys loved it. If you did, remember to give this tutorial a thumbs up, and remember to subscribe down below. And until next time, stay tuned. But no, y'all, do you see what is on my lips? I'm living. I'm going to bed in this lipstick. I'm going to bed just like this. I love this. Do you guys see this? Like, oh my God. Ooh, I just love everything. Do you see this, Felicia? Do you see this? Do you see it? Could be a Smashbox lip model, couldn't I? Anyways, I forgot what I was gonna say. Am I doing the intro or the outro? Somebody help me. It's hot in here.
Hot in, so hot in here.
I need the air on. Yeah, this is where it all goes down. So I'm glad you're here. That's a wrap. Baby girl, turn the camera. That's all. Off. Cha-ching.